sound.
Otherwise, we might have to watch over it.
I just put some like music or something.
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, it could be cool, County, for us to do like a Netflix review while doing nails because
that would be really funny.
Yes, it would be.
Yeah,
because we do talk about
that.
I do watch
such a good idea.
It is such a good idea.
Such a good idea.
I don't even want to laugh.
That's funny. Yeah.
See how
down.
smart?
That's a good idea.
It is a good idea. Kind of like book club, but not.
Yeah.
You know. We just have to get on the same page on what show we're going to talk about.
Yeah.
Each time. And I might have to come and get my nails done more often than just every 2 weeks to have our channel be successful.
If you're gonna be on a YouTube channel with me, then you for sure have to get free nails.
And we'll have to get maybe some more people on board so you have more, because you're gonna need more opinions.
It's true.
Is that too close?
Although ours is the only one that matters, really.
I don't think so. It's true.
Because I'm gonna have to, I'll have to in my software. I'll have to zoom in and stuff, so I can just get the best picture I can. Yeah, let's try that. Okay.
Are we live?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, okay.
But when you start actually painting them and stuff and doing your art, just make sure she's not there. That's the part that they watch.
Is the actual art part.
Well, I think they watch all of it, but they do like the art stuff.
You got them clean?
They're all clean now.
She never gets to sit up here with people.
Mommy, watch it!
Yeah.
I'll let you, huh? As long as your mom doesn't care, because your mom's the one working.
One.
Some Joe's, I think.
Joe's?
Yep.
Your shrimp or cheese enchiladas?
Just cheese enchiladas. 2 cheese enchiladas. The lunch special is great. Actually, get 2 of those.
2 lunch specials?
Yeah, two lunch cheese enchiladas, and then we'll give them to
2 enchiladas. 2 enchiladas.
Oh, want it.
both with red sauce. Yep.
Mommy, want it.
Where do you go, County?
Joe's. Do you ever go to Joe's
Where's it at?
in Springville?
The Joe's been.
Joe Bandito's.
Oh yeah, Jeffrey went there yesterday for lunch and brought us chips and salsa. I didn't go. But yes, I do like eating there.
Their 2 cheese enchiladas is like $8 for a lunch special. Look out, baby. Wait for mommy to move and then you can do it.
How do I usually? I think I got last time. I haven't been in so long, obviously, 'cause we've been gone. But I've been once since we've been back. And I think I got an enchilada.
I do enjoy the cheese enchiladas.
Because I don't want them to tip that over.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Like my camera.
Like a camera.
I decided what ring I wanted. I figured it out. Found my ring. My band. Yeah, I know. You didn't buy me the band. You got me the engagement part, and I need the wedding band. I finally decided what I wanted. Okay. Meals. You got chocolate on your head. You need a serious bath.
Go back, bath.
You're gonna have a bath?
Yeah.
Ooh, bath time's fun. Layla loves bath time.
We love that.
What are those, Rudolph? Not today. No Rudolph today. We'll do Rudolph.
Yes, sis. You need to get in the bath. Yes. Yes. Because you're stinky?
Hi.
My kids don't go to school Fridays.
That's
Remember?
right. Yep.
Like, they're home. But
Yeah.
they're not home because they're sick because they all went to school. Well, I shouldn't say they all did because Alex was home puking yesterday.
Wait, did that one turn on? Oh, yeah, there it is.
So they're new. You got to put them in twice to turn them on.
Okay.
Baby.
Yeah, I'm painting. Don't touch, Kate.
Okay.
Okay.
You just have to watch. You be a good supervisor. Oh, you're a good supervisor? Layla's a pro supervisor.
Don't touch, Kate.
Especially when it comes to cleaning her room.
What? Two.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I completely understand. It's annoying.
So I just was like, well, I'll just call you when I get it.
Like, what do you do? It's annoying.
So, yeah. Don't touch, please.
Okay.
Do that.
In December, when I was ordering,
Okay, Mills, you might have to get down now.
when I was ordering.
Okay, hop down, sis.
Ooh, you okay? You good? When I was ordering, well, I didn't order. I was looking on Pottery Barn for stockings, just to look, because a friend was telling me that they're really cute. Blah
so
blah blah. So I did. I looked, but they didn't have any. I looked too late. They were like sold out of everything. So, anyways, I was looking at this organizing system thing to put over by my garage door, and it's like, put in your address for delivery, like estimated delivery. It was in December. It was the end of March. I'm good. I'll wait. And then I was like, shoot, I should have got them.
Because now it's almost March.
Right. So now I didn't get them, but I should have just got them while I was. But it wasn't a bad little setup system thing.
I think that's kind of how Pottery Barn is anyway. They're not a company to have a lot on stock. You got to order and wait.
Right.
Which I think is kind of smart for a company to do that anyway, because they're not having lots of stuff on clearance. They're not
Right.
having,
It's true.
so.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Should I do the design black? Do you think? That would be pretty, don't you think?
Black or gold.
Oh yeah, true.
I think gold would be cute too, but black. I was thinking black in my head.
Okay.
Hello. How's it going?
I think
Good.
do the pinkies that color too.
Okay.
Cami, I really like that color.
I like it too.
Okay. If it's not too late.
The one on the bottom one for me.
You want the
Bottom?
you want the silver posts.
The silver post. Oh, okay.
Which one do I want, Cami, next time? The posts. Because I do come in and I forget which one you told me.
You want the gold posts.
gold. Okay.
Gold is gel.
Thank you.
Silver is acrylic.
I'll remember. So can people comment at the same time, like on there? If you were live, could they
Yeah,
like
if you're
we
live,
were
yeah.
talking about it? Oh, Cammy, we really should.
We totally should.
I know. I'm serious.
I'm dead serious too.
Have a day of looking forward to it. Next appointment day, Lucy and Cammy are going to talk about.
We've got to like watch something that's kind of new.
Yes. Because I totally would do it.
And we've got to both watch it.
Yes. We usually like the same. I mean, so far we've liked the same stuff, so that's not hard. It's just we're bringing something back, a show back that's.
You know, I've been watching Discovery Plus. You should watch that, and we should review Discovery Plus.
Okay, I'll look that
too,
one up.
because I canceled my Hulu because the stuff I'm watching on Hulu was on Discovery Plus.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know that.
Like,
Changed and getting rid of Comcast, so that's the good one to do.
yeah, I'll tell you what's.
Discovery Plus.
Yeah, like I had Hulu Live, which was $70 a month, which I liked because I could watch, you know, all these shows and stuff. Do that, but I'll tell you, I was watching all the stuff that's on Discovery Plus for less than $10 a month.
Oh.
So I've been like watching it and seeing if it was really worth it to cancel the Hulu. I think so.
Okay.
I'll have to look. I'll have to tell you what channels are available.
Heard of that.
It's like the new, like, you know how Disney's got their own channel and now Discovery has their own channel.
Oh, okay.
But Discovery is a lot of channels. I'll go through and read them to you.
Because I have Hulu, but I don't have like the Hulu Live or anything. I mean, I pay like it was like $17 or $15.
And I went down to
something.
that one now so I can just watch the stuff on TV.
Yeah.
Discovery Plus Originals, HGTV, Food Network, TLC, ID, OWN, Travel Channel, Magnolia Network, Discovery, Planet Earth, Animal Planet, A&E, History, Lifetime, Sci-Fi, Science, DIY Network, Cooking Channel, The Dodo, Pop Sugar, Now This, Seeker, Thrills, Thrillist, Destination America, AHC, and Discovery Life.
That's a lot.
That's a ton.
Yeah.
That is what I was watching on Hulu. Discovery Plus. And on Hulu, I was still watching commercials, even though I'm paying for no commercials, which really pisses me off.
Right.
But on Discovery, I am not.
I'll have to look that up.
Whoa! You got on your bum.
Ruin. I hope I didn't ruin.
You didn't. Okay. You can't.
Hi.
Yeah, super cute.
So cute, huh?
Yeah, way cute.
Evie, come here. You want them shiny or matte?
Matte, please. And leave the black on the skin. I like it.
No, let's not do that.
For the channel.
For the channel.
It's a new trend.
Yeah, no. It's really not. No.
No one's doing that. It's not a trend, and we're not starting it.
I see that doggy in there.
Oh,
So cute.
Is he sleeping? Sleeping. You like that doggy? No, you can't.
You got a doggy right there.
Go love on Sammy.
Oh, she's like, all right, I guess. You got a doggy, huh? Daddy's so cute.
Sammy, I want Sammy to see the dog. Come on. They're trying to turn his head.
He's like,
He's like, I'm fine where I'm at. Sorry, dog.
He's supposed to be sleeping.
She cracks me up.
Go back to sleeping now. Look at Elsie. Thank you.
What's the doggy's name?
Miss Cookie.
Name's Doggy. Okay. Maisie.
Let's go back now.
Is he gonna go back now, night?
Go back.
I know.
Oh, sorry. You're okay. I walked out with my house slippers on. I didn't even realize I had my house slippers on. So
cute.
yeah, not going home. I'm going home. Well, I am now. I actually went to Walmart and the other day I was like, or no, it was Smith's. It was Smith's. I was like, whatever. I don't even.
I wear these shoes like nonstop, so.
I know. And they're way comfy. Only I don't have a back, and if I put, they are so comfy. But if I don't have, if it's snowing and I don't have socks on, I'm all
Ooh. Ooh.
a little nippy.
Almond or peach?
Almond is great. Super cute.
So cute.
Smells so much better.
Mm-hmm. Mine are doing the same thing.
Were they?
Mine
I
are.
hate that.
I do too. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are welcome.